Are you looking for ways to make money online? With the rise of the internet, there are now more opportunities than ever to earn money from the comfort of your own home. Here are 10 ways to make money online. Number 1. Online surveys. Online surveys can be a simple way to make money online. Here's how it works. Sign up with survey companies. To start making money with online surveys, you need to sign up with survey companies. Some popular survey companies include SurveyJunkie, Swagbix, and Toluna. Complete your profile. Once you've signed up, you'll need to complete your profile. This will help the survey companies match you with surveys that are relevant to your interests and demographics. Take surveys. Once you are matched with a survey, you will be asked a series of questions. The survey may be multiple choice or open-ended, and may take anywhere from 5 minutes to 30 minutes to complete. Get paid. After completing a survey, you will be rewarded with cash or gift cards. The amount you'll earn varies depending on the survey, and survey companies typically pay via PayPal, gift cards, or other rewards. It's important to note that the earning potential for online surveys is relatively low. You may only earn a few dollars for each survey, and not all surveys will qualify you. Additionally, not all survey companies are legitimate, so it is important to research a company before signing up and be aware of potential scams. Number 2. Freelancing. Freelancing can be a great way to make money online by using your skills or talents. Here's how you can get started. Determine your skills. The first step in making money as a freelancer is to determine what skills you have that you can offer to others. It can be anything from writing and editing to graphic design, programming, or even virtual assistants. Create a portfolio. Once you have an idea of what you can offer, you'll need to create a portfolio of your work. This can be a website, a collection of samples, or even a social media account that showcases your skills. Sign up for freelancing platforms. There are many freelancing platforms available online, such as Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. These platforms provide a marketplace for freelancers to find work and for clients to find freelancers. Build your reputation. Once you're on a freelancing platform, it's important to build your reputation by completing projects on time, providing quality work, and getting good feedback from clients. Set your rates. Setting your rates can be tricky, but it's important to remember that as a freelancer, you are running a business, so you need to charge what you're worth. It's good to start with lower rates and gradually increase them as you gain more experience and clients. Find clients. Once you have a portfolio, reputation, and set your rates, you can start bidding on projects or proactively reach out to potential clients. Networking and self-promotion are essential to finding new clients. It's important to note that freelancing can be competitive, so it's important to differentiate yourself by specializing in a certain area or industry and providing excellent customer service. Additionally, it's important to manage your time effectively, set clear expectations with clients, and manage your finances properly. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to make money by promoting other people's products and earning a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate link. Here's how you can get started. Choose a niche. The first step in making money with affiliate marketing is to choose a niche that you're interested in and knowledgeable about. This could be a specific product category, such as beauty or fitness, or a specific type of audience, such as stay-at-home moms. Sign up for affiliate programs. Once you've chosen your niche, you'll need to find affiliate programs to join. Many companies have affiliate programs, or you can join affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, Commission Junction, or ShareASale. Create content. After you have joined affiliate programs, you'll need to create content that promotes the products you're an affiliate for. This could be in the form of a blog post, video, or social media post. Insert affiliate links. Once you have created content, you can insert your affiliate links into the content. It's important to use text links, image links, and banners. Additionally, it's important to disclose that you are using affiliate links in your content as per FTC guidelines. Drive traffic. The more traffic you can drive to your content, the more money you can make with affiliate marketing. You can drive traffic to your content through social media, search engine optimization, SEO, and paid advertising. Track your results. It's important to track your results and see which products are performing well and which are not. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your website traffic, conversion rates, and revenue. It's important to note that affiliate marketing takes time, effort, and consistent work to see results. Additionally, it's important to research the products you're promoting and only promote products you believe in and that align with your niche. Number 4. Selling products products on e-commerce platforms. Selling products on e-commerce platforms can be a great way to make money online. Here's how you can get started. Choose a niche. The first step in making money by selling products on e-commerce platforms is to choose a niche that you're interested in and knowledgeable about. This could be a specific product category, such as handmade crafts or vintage clothing, or a specific type of audience, such as pet owners. Find a platform. There are many e-commerce platforms available, such as Amazon, Etsy, Shopify, and eBay. Each platform has its own set of rules, fees, and features, so you'll need to research which platform is best for your business. Create a product line. Once you've chosen a platform, you'll need to create a product line. This could be products that you create yourself, such as handmade jewelry, or products that you source from wholesale suppliers. Set up your store. After you have a product line, you'll need to set up your store on the platform you have chosen. This will involve creating a business account, listing your products, and setting up payment and shipping options. Market your store. The more visibility you can give to your store, the more sales you'll make. You can market your store through social media, search engine optimization, SEO, paid advertising, and influencer marketing. Fulfill orders and manage customer service. Once you start getting orders, it's important to fulfill them promptly and provide excellent customer service. This will help you to maintain a good reputation and increase the chances of repeat customers. It's important to note that, like any business, starting an e-commerce store takes time, effort, and consistent work to see results. Additionally, you will also need to comply with legal requirements, such as taxes and regulations. Also, research your competition and pricing to make sure you are competitive in your market. Number 5. Blogging or vlogging. Blogging or vlogging can be a great way to make money online by sharing your thoughts, ideas, and experiences with an audience. Here's how you can get started. Choose a niche. The first step in making money by blogging or vlogging is to choose a niche that you're interested in and knowledgeable about. This could be a specific topic, such as travel, food, or personal development, or a specific type of audience, such as young professionals. Create a website or YouTube channel. Once you've chosen your niche, you'll need to create a website or YouTube channel. This will be the platform where you'll share your content and connect with your audience. Produce quality content. The key to success in blogging or vlogging is to produce high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience. This could be in the form of written blog posts, videos, or a combination of both. Build an audience. After you have created a website or YouTube channel and started producing content, you'll need to build an audience. This can be done through social media, search engine optimization, SEO, and networking with other bloggers or vloggers. Monetize your blog or vlog. There are several ways to monetize your blog or vlog, such as through advertising, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and selling products or services. Analyze and optimize. To continue making money with your blog or vlog, it's important to analyze your traffic and audience to understand what's working and what's not. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your website traffic, conversion rates, and revenue. It's important to note that making money from a blog or vlog takes time and effort. You will need to attract a large and engaged audience before you can monetize your blog or vlog effectively. Additionally, it's important to disclose any sponsored content or affiliate relationships on your blog or vlog, as per FTC guidelines. Number 6. Online tutoring. Online tutoring can be a great way to make money by sharing your knowledge and expertise with students. Here's how you can get started. Determine your expertise. The first step in making money as an online tutor is to determine what you can offer. This could be in a specific subject such as math, science, or language, or in a specific skill, such as test preparation or study skills. Create a portfolio. Once you have an idea of what you can offer, you'll need to create a portfolio of your qualifications and experience. This can include your education, certifications, and teaching experience, as well as testimonials from past students. Sign up with tutoring platforms. There are many online tutoring platforms available, such as Chegg Tutorm or VipGuide. These platforms provide a marketplace for tutors to find students and for students to find tutors. Build your reputation. Once you're on a tutoring platform, it's important to build your reputation by providing high-quality tutoring services, receiving good feedback from students, and maintaining a good rating. Set your rates. Setting your rates can be tricky, but it's important to remember that as a tutor, you are providing a service, so you need to charge what you're worth. It's good to start with lower rates and gradually increase them as you gain more experience and students. Find students. Once you have a portfolio, reputation, and set your rates, you can start finding students by promoting your services on social media, networking with other tutors, and reaching out to potential clients. It's important to note that online tutoring can be competitive, so it's important to differentiate yourself by specializing in a certain area or industry and providing excellent customer service. Additionally, it's important to manage your time effectively, set clear expectations with students, and manage your finances properly. Number 7. Online courses. Selling online courses can be a great way to make money by sharing your knowledge and expertise with a wider audience. Here's how you can get started. Determine your expertise. The first step in making money by selling online courses is to determine what you can offer. This could be in a specific subject such as business, technology, or personal development, or in a specific skill such as photography, coding, or cooking. Create a course outline. Once you have determined your expertise, you'll need to create an outline for your course. This should include the topics you'll cover, the format of the course, e.g. video, audio, text, and the length of the course. Produce the course content. After you have created an outline, you'll need to produce the content for your course. This could include creating videos, writing scripts, and designing slides. Find a platform. There are many platforms available for selling online courses such as Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable. These platforms provide a marketplace for instructors to sell their courses and for students to find courses. Market your course. Once you have created and uploaded your course, you'll need to market it to potential students. This can be done through social media, email marketing, and paid advertising. Continuously improve and update your course. To continue making money from your online course, it's important to continuously improve and update the course based on feedback from students and changes in the field. It's important to note that creating and selling an online course takes time, effort, and consistent work to see results. Additionally, it's important to price your course competitively and to provide excellent customer service and support. Furthermore, it's important to promote your course effectively and to continuously update it to keep it relevant and valuable to your students. Number 8. Virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is a professional who provides administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely. Here's how you can make money as a virtual assistant. Determine your skills. The first step in making money as a virtual assistant is to determine what skills you have that you can offer to others. This could be administrative tasks such as scheduling, email management, or data entry, or technical tasks such as social media management or website maintenance. Create a portfolio. Once you have determined your skills, you'll need to create a portfolio of your work. This can include examples of tasks you have completed for previous clients, testimonials, and your resume. Sign up for virtual assistant platforms. There are many virtual assistant platforms available online, such as Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. These platforms provide a marketplace for virtual assistants to find work and for clients to find virtual assistants. Build your reputation. Once you're on a virtual assistant platform, it's important to build your reputation by completing tasks on time, providing quality work, and getting good feedback from clients. Set your rates. Setting your rates can be tricky, but it's important to remember that as a virtual assistant, you are providing a service, so you need to charge what you're worth. It's good to start with lower rates and gradually increase them as you gain more experience and clients. Find clients. Once you have a portfolio, reputation, and set your rates, you can start bidding on tasks or proactively reach out to potential clients. Networking and self-promotion are essential to finding new clients. It's important to note that virtual assistants can be competitive, so it's important to differentiate yourself by specializing in a certain area or industry and providing excellent customer service. Additionally, it's important to manage your time effectively, set clear expectations with clients, and manage your finances properly. Number 9. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products to customers without actually stocking the inventory yourself. Instead, You partner with a supplier who ships the products directly to the customer. To make money with dropshipping, you will need to find a profitable niche or product to sell. This can be done by researching trends, customer needs, and competitors. Partner with a supplier who can provide the products you want to sell at a competitive price. You can find suppliers through online marketplaces such as Alibaba or through a Google search. Build an e-commerce website or use an existing platform like Shopify or Amazon to sell your products. Market your products effectively to drive traffic and sales to your website. This can be done through social media, search engine optimization, and paid advertising. Continuously monitor and optimize your business, including your products' pricing and marketing strategies to increase profit margins. Keep in mind that starting a dropshipping business requires a significant amount of time, effort, and patience to find profitable products and scale your business. Number 10. Stock trading. Trading stocks is a way to make money by buying and selling shares of publicly traded companies. To make money trading stocks, you will need to educate yourself about the stock market and the companies you plan to invest in. This includes understanding key financial metrics, such as earnings per share, EPS, and price to earnings (PE) ratio, as well as macroeconomic factors that can affect the market. Develop a trading strategy. This can include a long-term buy and hold strategy, a short-term momentum-based strategy, or a combination of both. Open a brokerage account and fund it with the capital you plan to use for trading. Use technical and fundamental analysis to identify potential trading opportunities. Technical analysis involves studying charts and trends to identify patterns that can indicate when to buy or sell a stock. Fundamental analysis involves analyzing a company's financial and economic fundamentals, such as earnings, revenue, and debt levels to assess its overall health and potential for growth. Execute trades based on your strategy and analysis. Continuously monitor your portfolio and make adjustments as necessary to maximize returns and minimize risk. Keep in mind that trading stocks carries a level of risk and can result in significant losses. It's important to understand the risks and only invest money you can afford to lose. These are just a few of the many ways to make money online. With a little creativity and hard work, you can turn your internet connection into a source of income. There are many ways to make money online, from starting your own business to trading stocks or participating in affiliate marketing. The key is to find a method that aligns with your skills, interests, and resources. By educating yourself, developing a strategy, and being persistent, you can turn your online venture into a profitable business. Remember, making money online takes time and effort, but with dedication and hard work, the potential for financial success is within reach. So start exploring your options and find the perfect online opportunity for you. Happy earning!